Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Christine.
And my mama Lulit.
And I'm Cecil. And welcome to Kitchenomics Philippines. And for today's video, we're going to make chicken fried rice. And here are the ingredients. First thing you have to do is to heat the oil.
And then we will fry the eggs. It's okay to break the eggs, but we will just fry it 80% done, like this. So we have to take this out from the pan and then set aside because we will use this later. Next, we need to fry the carrots, the cabbage, and the bell pepper. But we'll just give a quick fry to make the vegetables crunchy. Now we have to take this out and set aside for later use.
So the next thing we have to do is to heat another oil.
Pero take note guys, bago uminit ng gusto yung oil, immediately add the garlic para dahan-dahan ang pagkakaluto nito. At unti-unti yung lasa ng garlic ay mapupunta sa oil. And when you can smell the aroma, the fragrance of the garlic, then that's the time to add the chicken. Stir it. Continue stirring it until the chicken is about to cook. Now let's add the leftover rice and mix them up. Now let's add soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some salt and pepper. Now let's add the eggs that we fried earlier. And And the last one we need to add is the crunchy vegetables. And again, mix them up.
Guys, our chicken fried rice is done. Very easy and fast. Enjoy your breakfast. Guys, if you are a fan of watching videos in YouTube, please try to search also Kitchenomics Philippines and please try to watch our videos. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.
And for more updates, please click the notification bell. Hope you like it!